Hello and welcome to our UpKeep video series. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today I'll be guiding you through a tried and true method for creating an orderly, efficient workplace. This method, known as the 5S methodology, is a product of Toyota's post World War II production system. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the 5 steps of 5S, its benefits, and how to implement it in your own workplace. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team looking to boost efficiency and reduce waste, stay tuned. Let's get started. The 5S methodology is a set of principles designed to put a workplace in proper order. It encourages everyone to eliminate unnecessary materials, put everything in its rightful place, and standardize workplace upkeep practices. The 5S principles are 1. Seiri, which translates to sort, 2. Seiton, meaning set in order, 3. Seiso, which is shine, 4. Seiketsu, or standardize, 5. And finally, Shitsuke, which is sustain. The ultimate goal of 5S is to make the workplace as orderly and logical as possible. Anything that's not necessary is removed, items are placed where they're needed, and the area is kept tidy and clear of debris. Plus, 5S is designed to be routinely executed, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Let's dive deeper into the 5 steps of 5S. The first step is sort. This involves sorting through everything in the workspace and figuring out what needs to stay and what needs to go. The focus is on keeping only what is essential to getting the job done. To sort your work area, ask questions about each item like, what is its purpose? Who uses it? Is it used often? Is it really needed here? Next, we have set in order. After decluttering, you'll arrange the remaining items in the most logical way possible. The goal is to make the work area as easy to use as possible by reducing waste, like travel and waiting time. The third step is shine. Once your workplace is arranged logically, it's time to clean it up. But shining isn't just about cleaning. It also involves preventive maintenance to ensure your equipment runs properly. The fourth step is standardize. After sorting, setting in order, and cleaning, these activities should become standard practice. The goal is to create standard operating procedures that support an efficient, orderly workplace. Finally, we have sustain. This step is all about making the 5S methodology a permanent part of your work practices. It involves implementing rules that support the previous 4 steps, conducting regular audits, performing root cause analysis, providing employee training, and regularly updating the 5S program. Now let's talk about the benefits of implementing a 5S program in your workplace. First, 5S has a very low upfront cost compared to other lean practices. Second, it creates a more efficient work environment. In fact, one study showed that 5S reduced equipment search time by 12%. Third, it contributes to a safer workplace. Fourth, it improves employee morale and engagement. And lastly, it fosters a lean culture. The 5S process forms the foundation of lean manufacturing, playing a key role in creating the culture needed to sustain lean practices such as total productive maintenance, or TPM. Implementing 5S in your maintenance facility might not be easy, but we have 9 tips to help you. 1. Involve everyone. 2. Train new employees. 3. Focus on the purpose of 5S. 4. Use visual communication. 5. Focus on safety as well as eliminating waste. 6. Tailor 5S to each department. 7. Be creative. 8. Strive for continuous improvement. 9. And finally, use your CMMS to implement 5S. When implemented correctly, 5S transforms your workplace into a logical, easy-to-navigate space, setting the stage for continuous improvement and efficient lean practices. This means improved safety, less wasted time, more efficient workflows, and overall more effective maintenance work. Your maintenance team will be able to complete tasks with fewer delays and errors, ultimately improving the reliability of your equipment. So put 5S to work in your maintenance team and see the transformation for yourself. Thank you for watching this video on the 5S methodology. We've covered the 5 steps of 5S, its benefits, and how to implement it in your workplace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more resources on maintenance and reliability, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you create a more efficient and successful workplace.